my channel. Hi, this is I think 1 month later my trip to Palampur. Now why did I choose Palampur? Let me take you back to class 9. So in class 9 we all read a chapter called The Story of Village Palampur. That is the first time I heard the name Palampur. I didn't even know it was real because the first line of the chapter states the purpose of the story is to introduce some basic concepts of relating to production, and this is through a story of a hypothetical village called Palampur. I thought I will visit Nepal on my birthday. I had it all planned. Then my college decided to keep one of my exams. Okay, I am standing on my tippy toes, as you can tell, just to be in the frame on 20 May. That means I had to be in Chandigarh on 20 May. That means I can't go to Nepal on my birthday, that is 19th May. So I had to drop the plan of going to Nepal. Due to this Pakistan war, my exam got online. But I had already booked tickets to Chandigarh, right? What else could I have done? Cancel the ticket? But then my good friend Isha, she said, "Oh, you can come to my place." And then the bell rang in my head. Where is she from? She's from Palampur. That Palampur, that hypothetical Palampur from class 9. Everything came back to me. That one economics chapter changed my fucking life. No, I don't have anything to talk about. I just switched on my camera. These last 4 months have been really hectic in my life, and I really wanted to get a getaway. But I feel guilty going to Palampur for not meeting my parents. But I will see them after 2 days of going to Palampur. Not be celebrating my birthday with them. Is that alright? I'm asking myself. But is that alright to not celebrate my birthday with my parents? I feel bad. So I made a plan. I can go to Palampur for 4 days and then I can go to my parents. Everything worked out perfectly. Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have half an hour to get ready. Let's go. Sunscreen first. I have a lot of anxiety right now. Bangalore airport said that you are supposed to come 3 hours early and I'm already running 1 hour late. As I am not trying to make a big deal out of it, but truth be told, I am a little paranoid right now. Because I wasn't supposed to be working today, but my manager decided, oh, I need to ask Kanksha some questions. So I had to open my company laptop and answer his questions. I'm going to a very special place today. I accidentally razor bladed my eyebrows, what the hell? Eyebrows today. So this one's look, diva. This one's not giving anything. This is what I use. I don't think you care. I just use 3 products: sunscreen, CC cream, which matches exactly to my shade. It does not show that I'm wearing anything, but it does give a little glow to my face. Also, I'm dressed homeless and not wearing pants. Third step, take a little bit of lipstick, smile, and there's your perfect blush. Just to give it a little more edge, I apply mascara. I think we're done.
से देख कितना ज्यादा क्यूट लगता है.
Day 1 here, it's 10:30 and we're out and about and having dinner outside. And you wonder why I do not like Bangalore. Now we're in the men's washroom.
Suedic.
I took a shower and then I came out and I got to see this.
तुम्हें 1000 मिलेगी तो वो तुझे 4 बार सेव क्वेश्चन पूछेगा. तुझे 4 बार सेव जवाब देना पड़ेगा. वो पुल है जिसमें एक बकरी जा रही होगी, एक बकरी आ रही होगी.
This is day 2 of staying in Palampur. I just got up. This is Isha's house. I'm staying at Isha's place. I didn't know Isha lived in such a beautiful place, and I had not imagined Palampur to be this beautiful. It started raining after some time, and then hailstones. Surprisingly, 5 minute बाद सब ठीक भी हो गया. We went out. We saw कि ओले भी गिर रहे हैं, बारिश भी हो रही है, धूप भी है. Crazy place. We went for a walk. 7 बजे. बैंगलोर में 7 बजे. It's pitch black outside. Palampur में 7 बजे. The sun was not set yet. I saw Vikram Batra's place. Then sir, Indian Army is the best army in the world. I saw some cows living my dream life in Palampur. I was so jealous. I saw sheep farming. I saw cow ka ghar. I saw so many beautiful houses. Oh my god, I really wanna move to this town to do nothing. Just live here, absorb everything it gives me. I think that's what I'm doing right now. मैंने क्रोशेट से ये रोज बनाया था. इफ आई शो हर मैंने क्या बनाया. ईशा ने मुझे फेस मास्क लगाया है. Such cutie people.
जा रही हूँ लगाने उधर. मेरे घर वाले इसको सब्जी में डालते हैं उसकी जगह, धनिए की जगह. और मुझे ये बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, पर मैं इसको चटनी में ज़रूर यूज़ कर लेती हूँ.
Isha is taking me to see some tea farms. OOTD. Let's see some tea farms. हम खेत देखने जा रहे हैं.
टी गार्डन्स.
View is surreal. I am fangirling, touristing. Isha is embarrassed. Harishudi. It's raining and we're sitting inside the mandir. It's really pretty outside. Wish I could show you everything from my POV, like a third person's POV. I have a really bad posture.
छाता भी ऐसा ही कि भाई उड़ चले.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I never knew Palampur was this beautiful. All thanks to Isha. Isha is choosing to live in Bangkok.
No, I don't want to.
Look at this. शर्म आनी चाहिए.
मुझे आती है बहुत ज़्यादा.
Hi, this is day 3 of living in Palampur. We are going out. I see white caboose outside. I think I learned this from Hailey Bieber. You apply everything on your neck as well so that when you age evenly. Some people say I have a lot of dark circles. They are not dark circles. They are the red marks underneath my eye, and they have been there since I was like bond. So now I don't have dark circles. I'm trying to get rid of this hyperpigmentation around my lips.
This is a very famous soda of Palanpur. अरे cheers बनाऊंगा मैं.
It's my birthday. Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Of course, I'm about to wear pink on my birthday. What else did you think would happen, huh? That's a lot. We're going trekking today. मेरा किस्मत इतना खराब है कि my birthday is on Monday. Apparently Monday को सब बंद होता है यहाँ पे. In Palanpur or in Dharamshala. So we might go somewhere else, like a little detour. आज पहाड़ चढ़ने जाना है, मज़े आ जाएंगे. जीत गई. A lot of people don't get this reference. It's from that one. What's his name? Don. South Indian versus North Indian का conflict चल रहा था and he goes, yes, जीत गई. Second step, tea screen. Although मुझे मेकअप नहीं करना चाहिए क्योंकि मुझे वैसे ही पसीना आने वाला है. But who cares? मेरा बर्थडे है, मैं कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ. I avoid to apply near my eyes क्योंकि I wear glasses and then when I get sweaty with my glasses, this area you can tell like यहाँ पे एकदम गड्ढा सा हो गया, right? It does not look pretty on me. It rained so heavily last night. मेरी गांड फट गई थी बहुत ज़्यादा क्योंकि I've never lived in a house like this before जहाँ पे there are team on top. Isha made me a cake last night. I talked to my mom and dad, talked to my brother. People don't really realize how much this means to me. This small town. Come to this monastery and it's my birthday. It's called Norbulinga. I couldn't pronounce it. It looks very real to me. मुझे लगा ये रोक देंगे. अब तो रुकते वैसे नहीं आते. वो क्रेश ट्रेजर वाइल्ड डिपार्ट में स्टोरी बताते हैं ना, वैसे ही बताते हैं. क्रेश ट्रेजर वाइल्ड डिपार्ट की स्टोरी सुनिए. फ्रेंड आ जाए तो प्लीज़. I'm living my dream right now. I really want to buy this. We're in Bhutan. Sorry? We're in Dharamshala. Sarvalam. I think Dorji will marry me now. Hi, Dorji. Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're in Dharamshala. I feel so good. I feel so good. So pretty. I feel like I belong here. Best birthday ever. It's a world of mangoes against me. मुझे अभी 2 सेकंड बाद पिंपल्स हो जाएंगे, but who cares?
तुम्हें पहाड़ पसंद है या समुंदर?
मुझे ना पहाड़ बहुत पसंद है, रियली.
मुझे भी पहाड़ ज्यादा पसंद है. ऐसा लग रहा है कि मुझे बुला रहा है.
मैं मनाली जा रहा हूँ.
क्यों जा रहे हो उस कम वक्त पहाड़ पे चढ़ने के लिए? इतना जरूरी है तुम्हारे लिए? बहुत.
एक बार मरने से पहले चंद्रताल देखना चाहता हूँ. हिमालयों के बीचों बीच नीला हरा पानी और सरासी भी आवाज.
Sitting by the riverside on a starry night. Isn't it beautiful?
मैं हमेशा चाहती हूँ ऐसे ही किसी पहाड़ पर मेरा घर हो. सपना था मेरा.
चल. कहाँ?
चलो भाग जाते हैं हम. कट लेते हैं यहाँ से और एक ब्यूटीफुल सा घर बनाते हैं किसी पहाड़ पर.
इन पहाड़ों पे 2 किस्म के लोग आते हैं. एक जो खुद की तलाश में है और दूसरे जिन्हें उसकी तलाश है.
वहां उस पहाड़ के हवा में एक नशा सा था और वो नशा इश्क था।
People say he looks like me.
But you look like Bakri.
I saw so many pahadi bakri. The description of Palampur in this book, in this chapter, I don't know how, but it matched exactly to the real life Palampur. And I'm so happy that I explored Palampur because, come on, it's a hypothetical village. When I filmed the Palampur video, it was May. We are well in June. There is no consistency in me recording my videos. I'm talking in present tense, it's supposed to be in past tense, but then this video will be before the Palampur trip, you know, placed in that sequence. I'm confusing myself at this point.